Forgotten username recovery failed on GoBank Fix. If your GoBank username recovery keeps failing, don't panic. Most people get this wrong because they assume GoBank still uses traditional usernames. The surprising truth is that GoBank now relies on your registered email as the main login credential, which is why the old forgot username process often fails. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Open the GoBank app or website. Enter the email linked to your account instead of a username. If you're unsure which email you used, check your inbox for past messages from GoBank, like account statements, transaction alerts, or payment notifications. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to your email. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if the email doesn't arrive immediately. Step 3. If you signed up using a third-party login, like Google or Apple, log in using that same method. Switching login methods is a common reason recovery attempts fail. Step 4. If you still cannot access your account, contact GoBank support. Provide your full name, registered email, and explain that your forgotten username recovery failed. Their team will verify your identity and restore access quickly. Most users assume their account is lost or locked, but the reality is simple. GoBank removed usernames to simplify login and enhance security. So don't worry, your account and funds are safe. Use your registered email, reset your password if needed, and you'll be back managing your GoBank account in minutes.